Are you looking for an electric pressure washer? In this video, I will show you the 5 best electric pressure washer based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Ryobi 2300 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer. The Ryobi 2300 PSI pressure washer is engineered to handle even your toughest jobs. This pressure washer features a powerful 13-amp high-efficiency brushless electric induction motor and pressure technology. With 2300 psi of force, it is exceptional for quick cleaning of driveways, decks, windows, patio furniture, and other areas around the house. This unit also includes a bonus turbo nozzle that delivers up to 50% more cleaning power. The 4th product on the list is the Ryobi 600 psi RY141612 electric pressure washer. The Ryobi 1600 psi electric pressure washer features a lightweight, portable design with onboard storage for user convenience. It is great for use on bikes, campers, grills, patio furniture, and many other recreational applications. This unit includes 3 nozzles, 15, soap, and turbo for 50% faster cleaning. The Ryobi 1600 psi electric pressure washer combines portability with convenience for a unit that can go anywhere to get the job done. The 3rd product on the list is the AR Blue Clean AR 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The AR Blue Clean 2-in-1 electric pressure washer is the most versatile and innovative electric pressure washer available for any outdoor cleaning job done right. Blast away dirt, mold, moss, mildew, and grime to reveal a fresh, clean look. This is the best pressure washer to clean with surfaces like decks, siding, and fences, clean to look new again with no need to sand, scrape, or paint. Use it in the mobile cart with heavy-duty rugged wheels, making it easy to move it safely from project to project. Remove the unit from the cart and it becomes an ultimate portable pressure washing solution you can use anywhere where there is a garden hose with water supply and an electrical outlet. The 2nd product on the list is the Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. This electric pressure washer consistently impresses customers with power and performance. Equipped with a dual detergent tank system, the Joe SPX3000 pressure washer carries and stores 2 different types of detergent simultaneously in its 2 0.9L onboard, removable detergent tanks. Conveniently switch between different detergents with its detergent selection dial and blast away all sorts of grime. This pressure washer features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as 2-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles and lawn equipment. Plus, its rear wheels provide easy portability around your yard. This versatile pressure washer is your ultimate dirt fighter. This pressure washer lets you tailor the pressure output of the spray to your cleaning need with Joe's 5. The 1st product on the list is the Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125 gas pressure washer. The Simpson MegaShot series is perfect for the do-it-yourself looking for maximum performance with minimal investment. Simple to use and great for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, house siding, and prepping home exteriors for painting. The OEM Technologies pump features a maintenance-free crankcase, so you never have to change the oil. Its compact design is lightweight and small enough to be easily transported by one person. The MegaShot series is designed for optimum performance in the harshest environments, and renowned for being consistently easy to start. Its compact design is lightweight and small enough to be easily transported by one person. Equipped with a premium Honda engine built with high-quality components, designed for optimum performance and renowned for being easy to start. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.